In this video, let me show you how to fully verify using student ID and GCash. First, open the GCash app on your device, go to the Help Center at the bottom of the screen, tap your account, then tap Verify Your Account, and select Get a fully verified GCash account. Scroll down and tap on List of Valid ID to get verified, then scroll again and select Unable to proceed with verifying your GCash account. Tap on Error Message and then tap Submit a Ticket. On the ticket page, enter your email address, your full registered name, and the GCash number linked to your account. For the ID submitted for verification section, choose Others and enter student ID. Enter description and scroll down to attach a photo or screenshot of your ID. Then tap Submit, and that's it. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.